In this video, we are going to see what is a bus in the computer. We know that the computer system has several parts like the CPU, input and output peripherals, and the memory units. So, there has to be a system that communicates data between these components. You can think of a computer bus even like a public transportation bus. These buses are capable of transporting people from one destination to the other. So, likewise, a computer bus also transmits data from one location or device to another location or device. We can say bus is a link that between components or devices connected to a computer. For example, a bus carries data between a CPU and a memory unit through the motherboard. Now we can see the type of computer buses. A bus can be either parallel or serial bus. That is, all the computer buses fall under the category either they will be parallel bus or serial bus. And the two types of buses are internal bus, they are called as local bus, or an external bus or expansion bus, we can say. Now we can see what is a parallel bus and what is a serial bus. A parallel bus, in the parallel bus, data is transmitted several bits at a time. And with serial bus, the data is transferred one bit at a time. This is the difference between the parallel and serial bus. And we're coming to the internal bus and the external bus. Internal bus is also named as local bus or system bus that enables communication between the internal components such as CPU and memory. An external bus or expansion bus like USB, that is USB is an external bus that communicates with the external peripherals. And this is all about the internal and external bus. Now we can see the types of buses under the category internal bus or the system bus. This system bus contains the three categories of buses to provide the communication between CPU, memory and the I/O. This system bus has three categories, that is the address bus, data bus and control bus. Address bus is used to carry the address to the memory and I/O. And the data bus, once the computer understands where to get the information, that is, once it understands the address, the data bus is used to carry the binary data between the CPU, memory and the I/O. This control bus is used to carry the control signals and timing signals. These control signals indicates the type of operation. Now we can see the most popular computer buses that are used today or nowadays, and eSATA, that is serial attachment. These and SATA are the system buses that enables communication with between the computer system and the hard drives and the disk drives. And the USB is an expansion bus, or we can say it is an external bus that enables communication between the computer system and its peripherals. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.